please come on stage to launch Eternal Sounds at the hands of the trio.
Yes.
We'd like to launch Manmarzee at the hands of this trio. Can we all clap, please? तालियों में बहुत कंजूसी हो रही है. Whether the word is with you or not.
Good evening, friends. Very happy to be here. We have launched this company called Eternal Sounds, the four of us, myself, Maestro Bickram Ghosh, and two of our other partners who are not here today, Utsav Parekh and Hariharan Jalan. So, with the blessings of Alumelu Amma, who's here, we want to launch our first album in Mumbai, and this is called Manmarzee. Basically, Eternal Sounds has been formed to create a new legacy in music. We all understand that what sells may not always be good music, quote unquote. However, it is our endeavor to make sure that we will bring you that kind of sounds which are going to be eternal, which are going to be long lasting, and which are going to create an impact in your hearts and minds. So, without wasting much time, I would like to hand over the proceedings to Bikram Bhai, who will explain how Manmarzee was created and how Manmarzee was recorded with Hariharan ji. But before that, I also want to make another pleasant announcement. It is the birthday of Mrs. Hariharan ji, Lalita ji. So let us clap for her. Ma'am, a very happy birthday to you. Thank you for celebrating it with us and on this occasion. So it's very special to us that you're celebrating it here. And we're going to cut a cake for that, but after the launch of the album.
Journalists and fellow musicians, it's always a challenge to go forward with music which you believe in, and that challenge is always made easier by people who believe. So the three partners, other than me of course, have really come forward and invested not only money, but they've invested their emotions into this company. So I'm very, very happy that Eternal Sounds has happened. And the first project being Manmarzee with Hariji. What can be better than this? Well, Hariji and I, as many of you know, we started our collaboration together with an album called Ishq 2.5 years back. This is our second collaboration. Every single time, for me, it's a learning experience with him. It is so satisfying. It is so rich in the course, in the musical journey that I share with him during the course of a project. That every single time, I was just telling Karan, Hariji's son, that whenever I come to meet Hariji or I'm hanging with Hariji, music or not music, I think my entire sensibility becomes a bit sharpened, and I feel really happy. He really makes me happy. He has that amazing quality of chilling, making it easy, making it bahut chalo masti karte hain. And we do hope that you like this album. It has 5 songs, and ranging from a qawwali to a blues song to a geet to a Sufi fusion number and what have you. With I'm not going to talk too much about it because we're going to launch the album and the first song today, which is literally called the Qawwali. But we're also going to play you all the songs from the album. The rest of the songs are not released yet, so of course all the cameras will be on, but try not to share. Whatever. But I'll hand over the mic to Hariji now. Hariji, an honor once again.
Hi everybody. Good evening. I just felt that we have just released Ishq.
Yeah, that's exactly.
And we were happy about its success. So we had a party in Calcutta, and the next day to the party, Bikram invites me to his studio. Hariji, chaliye na कुछ गाना बनाया हूँ, सुनाना है, आई एम डूइंग सम प्रोजेक्ट। आई सेड फाइन, चलते हैं। एंड ही प्लेड मी 5, 6, 7 सॉन्ग्स। मैं बोला अच्छा है, व्हाट इज दिस ब्यूटीफुल वर्ड। नहीं क्या प्रोजेक्ट है? तो बोले हरिहरन एंड विक्रम। We just finished one and then he said these are the songs, and in about 3 months time I kind of got to dub them, and that's the energy this man has got. It's amazing, and before we know it's ready, and then we went to I went to Calcutta and we did 3 days of real shooting, right? And we did all the 5 songs, so it's soul talk. It's a very melodic album with a lot of genres, and what I like about this album is Bikram has exploited my voice differently. He's brought out the timbre of my voice, so and it has been produced very well. And there are 2 of our sound engineers who worked here. Simon and Bijan, they were a part of this album from Bombay, and then other people from. Haji, Rajiv Pandey ji, आइए. He's written the lyrics.
Rajiv wrote 2 of the songs.
Yeah. Beautiful songs, even yeah. So without further delay, we'll play the first song.
I'd like to wish them best because they are the best people. I am a huge fan of Hari ji and of course Bikram ji. I also look up to Hari ji क्योंकि उनको सुनते हुए बचपन से बड़े हुए हैं, and I am looking forward for Manmarzee. आज वैलेंटाइंस डे है, आई एम होपिंग कि आज आज हमारा वैलेंटाइंस डे बन जाएगा, ऐसा लग रहा है।
What do you like to special sing the Valentine Day to your audience?
So this is for Hari ji because I am a die-hard fan of Hari ji. काश ऐसा कोई मंजर होता तेरे कांधे पे मेरा सर होता, काश ऐसा कोई मंजर होता। Thank you.
Well, I'm very happy that the guests have come because I was giving interview the whole day, so I went to just refresh and came. I just came now, and I'm looking forward to the evening. A lot of artists, friends, and personal friends will be coming today, and we'll have a great evening.
Anything else you would like to say to all the audience?
Happy Valentine's Day. Love is in the air. God bless.
तो मैं एक चीज़ कहूँगा कि हरी साहब और विक्रम जी उनका जो जोड़ी है बहुत अलग है, वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग। लास्ट टाइम भी उनके एल्बम पे लॉन्च पे हम लोग थे और उनके जो गाने निकले थे बहुत अलग सा एक फील था। तो मुझे लगता है कि मनमर्जी जो अब उनका नया एल्बम है उसमें भी वही ऐसी कुछ अलग बात होगी। सो आई विश देम ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट।
क्या आप दोनों को एक साथ कोई नए जुगलबंदी में देखेंगे?
वो तो हो सकता है। तो कॉलोनियल कजन्स तो अभी हमारा कॉन्सर्ट हुआ है काला घोड़ा में, तो पूरा हाउसफुल था, बहुत अमेजिंग ऑडियंस था। तो मुझे लगता है कि आगे जाके लोगों को पसंद है तो डेफिनेटली हम लोग करेंगे।
As the year 23 has been started, what will be the surprises from your side?
सरप्राइजेस फ्रॉम माय साइड, एक तो जैसे काव्या जोन्स है, आर्टिस्ट मेरी है मेरे लेवल में, लेकिन आप देखेंगे तो एक जो नया आर्टिस्ट कैसे बनता है, उसके जब नेक्स्ट गाने आएंगे तो वो एक स्पेशल मुझे लगता है हाईलाइट होगा। और उसके अलावा मैं अपने नए गाने रिलीज़ कर रहा हूँ, तो ऑलरेडी 4 गाने रिलीज़ हुए हैं और चारों गाने सर्टिफाइड हिट है। तो मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है कि लोगों को अच्छा लग रहा है गाने। और काव्या का भी गाना जो वो है मेरा बहुत चला है। सो आई थिंक योर नेक्स्ट सॉन्ग इज गोइंग टू मेक सम फीचर।
What do you like to say Vikram Ghosh and Hariharan sir?
मेरे लिए काफ़ी एक्साइटिंग है क्योंकि मैं पहले एल्बम की लॉन्च पे भी थी और जैसे सर ने कहा कि बहुत अलग था और ये भी मनमर्जी भी बहुत अलग होने वाला है. सो आई एम सो एक्साइटेड एंड व्हाट अ बेटर डे फॉर देम टू लॉन्च इट एज वैलेंटाइंस डे टुडे. तो आज हम सब लव को सेलिब्रेट करें एंड व्हाट बेटर टू बी सेलिब्रेटिंग लव विद म्यूजिक. तो आज बहुत खुशी हो रही है कि हरी सर और विक्रम सर के लॉन्च पे मैं आई हूँ एंड आई एम एक्साइटेड एंड लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू हियर द सॉन्ग्स एंड एंजॉय माय सेल्फ.
As today it is a Valentine Day, if you sing something for our viewers.
Yes! And you also sir. Something?
What should I say?
Anything?
Sorry, Seriously love related.
Come on, sing तेरे बिना लव.
Okay. जो मेरा एक गाना है तेरे बिना लव, वो अभी बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है लोगों को, तो वो गाऊंगा. आपने कभी सुना होगा, नहीं सुना तो जाके सुनिएगा. तेरे बिना लव don't mean thing. तेरे बिना love I don't wanna say. तुझको मेरा दिल चाहे मैं क्या करूँ, दिल तो लेके तुम चली, ढूंढूं तुझे हर गली. तेरे बिना love कैसी है ये जिंदगी, तेरे लिए सारा जहां, ये ज़मीं आसमां मेरी जान.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yes, Vikram Da is an old friend, a Messi. I don't call him, I never take his name. I say Messi. Yeah. So, and so is Hariharan Ji. So, I'm a big admirer of their music. They're a big inspiration. This is their second album together. Hopefully, in the third album, they'll feature me somewhere. And so, no, I'm a huge fan of their music, and I'm very happy to be here.
Thanks for being here.
ये जोड़ी तो कमाल ही करती है हमेशा की तरह, और इस बार भी मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ कि फिर से दोनों साथ आ रहे हैं. विक्रम घोष एंड हरिहरन जी का जो कॉम्बिनेशन है, पीपल लव इट. आई एम सुपर एक्साइटेड टू हियर द सॉन्ग एंड लुक एट द वीडियो. तो बस वेट हो रहा है कि देखेंगे. आज तो लॉन्च पार्टी में आए हैं तो मज़ा आ रहा है. ज़रूर मिलेगा जी. ऑलरेडी मेरे ख्याल से वैसे तो ये फैब में ही होना चाहिए था, बट इट्स अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल सॉन्ग. इट्स कमिंग आउट मे बी इन अप्रैल, तो आपको मिलेगा. देखिए नहीं अभी नहीं.
आज वैलेंटाइंस डे भी है, तो उन सभी के लिए अगर कुछ गुनगुनाएं अगर आप.
तेरी काली अखियों से जिंद मेरी जागे, धड़कन से तेज दौड़ो सपनों से आगे. अब जा लुट जाए ये जहां, छूट जाए संग प्यार रहे, मैं रहूं ना रहूं सजदा. थैंक यू.
एक और ही ज़बरदस्त धमाका होगा, बहुत बेहतरीन होगा. इन दोनों की जो एनर्जी है बहुत अच्छे से जेल होती है, तो कुछ यूनिक ही निकलता है. उम्मीद करती हूँ कि ये भी एक बहुत अच्छा बेहतरीन सॉन्ग ऑडियंस को मिलेगा. मेरी गुड विशेस विक्रम जी के लिए. सबसे अच्छी चीज़ है कि आज वैलेंटाइन डे है और आज एक गाना लॉन्च हो रहा है मनमर्जी. तो बहुत ही प्यारा सा लव सॉन्ग होगा और आप लोग उसको ज़रूर उतना ही प्यार देंगे जितना और गानों को देते हैं.
I'm a great fan of Hariharan sir and great fan of Vikram Da. Absolutely, I'm very happy to be over here. My friend Gaurang Jalan and Vikram is here. We just last year only we got a national award for a film Abhi Chatri. We were part of that movie, and today first album launch by Hariharan. My best wish to the entire team. Vikram is a master, and the kind of work he has done is brilliant. Been a great fan of him for many years, and I'm happy that a film which I was associated was part of that music, and I'm very happy today for my best wishes to the entire team in what different kind of subjects. मेरा भी टाइम है, मेरा अभी my year, this 2022 year, we got the national award, then Bubbly Bouncer in India lockdown has been done very well at the OTT platform. So I've just taken a break now, 3-4 months. I'll be writing the scripts and then slowly I'll be announcing the film. So right now the night belongs to Bickram, Gaurang and the entire team.
Well, it's doing national award-winning films. So now, how does it feel moving on to another space with music and joining Bickram Jalan?
Well, frankly speaking, I regard music as an extension of the celluloid medium, and I feel that we want to create new sounds which are eternal, and this is going to be a great opportunity for us to work together with the maestros. And extremely happy that Mumbai is the first platform where we would launch Manmarzee tonight, and with the good wishes of Madhur Bhai and Vikram, I'm sure we're going to create great guns. And at Eternal Sound, all of us are very happy that we launched it here today.
Madhurji, one question, that they are bringing back original sound frequencies into real music. So how does it feel? Would you like them to compose for you, because they give you a real different tone?
Definitely, he's master, I said. There's no two way about it, and I think he's done a commendable job. And it's high time he should enter in the industry, what we call Bollywood. And I think so. It's just a beginning. I think this album is just a beginning. So it's a long way to go to be over here and compose some great tracks.
Vikram da, last word.
Well, Eternal Sounds is a company which has been formed by the four of us, by myself, Utsav Parekh and Manmarzee Gaurang Jalan. And this was formed to bring original music back to the forefront, moving away from covers, original music. And this is the first project from this company. It's called Manmarzee. It features Hariharan music.
इधर आ जाओ, मैं को इधर आने दो, विजुअल करूँगा।
अरे तो वो कौन कर रहा है? Bless us. Need all your blessings. Everybody is here. We're very, very close, and he was a producer of Hariharan Bickram Ghosh. Two of them together, so we already worked together.
Yeah, absolutely.
And thank you.
So what magic we created in 2022 and hope to continue in 2023. Absolutely. Fingers crossed. Thank you. Thank you.